Okay, so the first step, the first core tenet is understanding Google. And Google's traffic comes from the way you title your products. See, a lot of people can come to your Redbubble products for different reasons, okay? But what happens is if you have a very, very specific keyword, Google will pick up on that. And when people search for that specific keyword, you're likely to show up on Google and you're likely to get sales from Google. See, there are certain designs that we create that gets traffic from Google. Obviously, there's other designs that don't get traffic from Google. But in this case, there are certain designs that do get traffic from Google. And I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly what I mean by that. So if I search for tiger here on Redbubble, let's just go ahead and give this a minute here. Let's just take a look. And what we can see here is just all these different options, these, all these different kind of things that's going on here. Okay? Now, let's just go ahead and pick something that's not obtrusive, but something that's very different than the rest. So let's select this, right? We have He-Man and Tiger Tribute Classic T-shirt. Okay? You got to think, how many T-shirts have this exact word-for-word title? The answer is not too many. So let's go ahead and copy this, and let's just paste this into Google, and let's see if something comes up. And guess what? Here, something does come up, indeed. And you can see here, I haven't clicked on it, but the actual product with the full title fully comes up. So what I'm trying to say here is that one of the core tenets of understanding Redbubble success is understanding that a word-for-word keyword phrase match on the title leads to more success when it comes down to Google. Okay, and this is just a perfect example of that. So one of the ways that you can succeed with gaining Redbubble, or to get Redbubble traffic, is through Google, and Google provides traffic. And so to reverse engineer that process and to fully understand this is that when you create a design on Redbubble, you want your title to be an exact term match to what people are searching for. So you want to think actively. What can people potentially be searching for, right? And that's what you want your title to be, your exact title to be on Redbubble. Okay, so that's core tenet number one.